Meyer with Mid-Atlantic Air. We're in P2 at the garage, 500 Madison, going over the stormwater vault pump. This is the main control for there. You have your circuit breakers for your pump. You have your light for run. You have a hand, off, and auto switch. The test switch is just for the lights on the front of the panel. Off float, which is this black wire here on number 3. You have an on float, which is on number 6. Then you have a high alarm level, which is on number 7 and 8. Pump is operating in auto right now. It's actually on and running. If you want to shut it off, we can go to off. Then you can go to hand to manually operate it. The light's going to come on and run. The only thing is, when you're in hand, you need 2 people. You need somebody to monitor the tank while somebody's down here when you're in the hand mode. Go back to off. Go back to auto. And again, like I said, when you're in auto, when you're in hand, even with the sump pumps you'll see downstairs, you have to monitor it. You can't just turn it on hand and walk away. Because when you go into hand mode, your floats are ignored. We're at the location for the stormwater vault. It's at the top of the garage, coming into the parking garage on the pit side of the building, Pitt Street side of the building. This is where you're going to go into the manhole to access the stormwater vault. We were at the stormwater tank vault pump downstairs. This is actually where everything is located. This manhole here will actually take you down into the tank. Come across the tank, there's 2 pumps located in the tank. One is the stormwater, one is the irrigation pump. The first pump is right about here in the tank. This is the stormwater pump. The second pump in the tank is right about in here. This is the irrigation pump. Dissertation of how the water comes into the system. It's pumped up from downstairs. It's going to come into this tank here. This tank's going to fill up. Once it gets to a certain level, the clean water runs off from that. This is a sediment tank. The clean water then filters over into the filter tank, which is over here. From this level, it goes back over to the tank where the storm water is, and then is injected out to the street and down the drain out there. That concludes the location of the pumps in the tank for the cistern and for the irrigation cistern and the stormwater vault.